Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock Surron faster. First, locate and disconnect the speed limiter wire, often a green wire with a white stripe, to instantly unlock more power. Next, consider swapping your front sprocket for one with more teeth, like a 14-tooth or 15-tooth option, to achieve higher top speeds. Always ensure your battery is fully charged before riding for peak performance. For a substantial performance leap, upgrading your stock controller is key. Aftermarket controllers, like a 72-volt unit, can deliver much more power to the motor. Pair this with a higher voltage battery, such as a 72-volt battery, to experience dramatic improvements in both acceleration and overall top speed. Remember to always prioritize safety and proper installation. Optimizing your drivetrain is crucial for speed. A smaller rear sprocket, for example, a 58-tooth or 56-tooth, will reduce your final drive ratio, leading to higher top speeds. With increased power, a stronger chain is essential to prevent breakage. Don't forget to regularly clean and lubricate your chain to maintain efficiency and extend its lifespan. While not directly adding power, optimizing your suspension and tires significantly impacts how you experience speed. Properly tuned suspension improves power transfer and stability, especially at higher speeds. Switching to street-oriented tires, like those with a smoother tread pattern, reduces rolling resistance, making your Surron feel faster on paved surfaces. Always maintain correct tire pressure for safety and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.